Hi guys, welcome to Discover channel. So today we discuss topic about that Google AdWords display ads. So what is the display ads? So if you have any coming to the AdSense websites, it will show in certain ads. These all ads will be dependent by the Google AdWords that create by the display ads. Second thing will be in the display ads will show particular ads will be in a promotion sector and a social sector also. These are all ads will be created by the Gmail ads. This ad will be created by where into Google AdWords display network. First of all, go to the AdWords account, click the campaign. Display will be supporting majorly sale, lead generation, website traffic, and this will be not supporting awareness and reach purpose. These four will be helping for the display. Without goal also, this will be particular goal, sale purpose, leads. Coming to this option, they can sell something products here. Visit website. This will be nothing but website traffic or even multivitamin. So this will be depend on the ad we can show to the customer. Here, this will be visit site. If you am selecting goal will be, I'm looking for only for website traffic, only website traffic. Select the option will be display. Here they will show will be standard display, smart display campaign. Any campaign, we have to enter the website address compulsory mandatory field. Pick up your setting and targeting and have some automation options. Optimize bidding, targeting and ads based your campaign, performance and customer interest in your product and services. There is a total 2 campaigns. In this, I'm selecting with the smart display campaign. Select it. I'm selecting website URL. Website URL selected. Click for continue. What I'm selecting will be smart campaign. This will be my website traffic. That is, I'm giving them my short name. What is my location target? Enter countries, states, cities, first option. If specific only Hyderabad, India, any specific, you can use the 2 option. Right now, my target totally Hyderabad. Totally Hyderabad. So when I'm selecting Hyderabad time, we have 2 options, Hyderabad with Telangana, Hyderabad with Pakistan. So selected by the which area, we can select by the option. Next to target language. Language we can specify all language or specific for only for one language also. That will be adding for simple English. So only we can add by the English language. Next, what is the bidding major purpose? Conversion value. This will be mostly will be conversion purpose, nothing but action on the website. Any people look your ad, they click the your particular display ad purpose. And the display ad will be particular ratio will be here. The ratio composer we can follow the to design the ads here. This will be your particular average budget. I given 1500. My budget is a divided by a particular weekly estimated. These are will be very important. When you give the 1500 budget, the clicks will be 1900 to 6600 in between, but conversion and after CPA, they can't give the price. Maybe my price is less, they can't show that this option. If you add increase the budget, they can show the clicks, but they can't give the conversion rate. That is the on. Use dynamic ads, feed performance, personalized ads also. Nothing but what are the ads will be your feed, that all will be controlled by the dynamic ad also. So business type, local this, or travel, or education. So these are the particular. You will be reminded to upload your feed when your campaign is ready. This is option will be personalized ads, but I have to promoting my website ads. I'm not looking for any dynamic ads. Next one, your ad group. Why? Because your campaign structure always campaign creation, in this first option is the daily budget, location target, language target. Second one, ad group. What are the you're targeting? What are the ads you have preferred in this option? In the display, we have total format, image ad, text ad, and we can use option will be native ad. So when using for particular ads will be here like this, where you can visible these ads, which website approved by the AdSense, which website approved by the AdSense, visit site, see open. So now you can add your image and logo option. Mobile will be shown to customer will be like this, text ad, open. Here text ad will be showing for visit site, it will be image will be shown to customers. Next one, we have to text will be image ad. So right now I'm not adding any image, so that is the empty one. So here will be, we have the complete headlines will be, we can use 5 headline and 5 descriptions. The display is your business name. What is your business name? You can mention it. So we can add the content. Content is added here. Look in carefully, watch. So here, just look in the option, click for add option, option format. Here will be more options. Call to action will be here. This will be automated. We can call option will be book now. So what is the option will be show to the customer? The show will be book now option will be there. This will be visit site. We can change options. Anything. What are the options we can visible? We can use that particular features. Visit site. Here is the visit site. So display will be shown to customer, which is website approved by AdSense, that will show to the display. And this will be show for the YouTube video also, that is the overlay also will show the customers. So now I'm showing for book now service. Text different final URL on mobile for mobile. If you're changing URL, here we can add your complete website logos, or else you can upload the logos. Here you can scan in the complete website here. Recently used. So what are the images I'm using here? So what are the ratio we can use? So select the sizes will be here. These are 1:1.91:1. The size will be, we can note down 1200 by 627 pixel. And this will be, we can 600 into 314 pixel. This is pixel very, very important. Please note down. And this pixel will be, we can use 600 by 600 pixel. And this pixel will be using for 1080 by 565. And this ratio will be 1:1. The size will be 1080 into 1080. I once again repeat, logo 200 by 200. Next, one more size, 1200 into 627 pixel. Yeah, anyone missing for your pixel, can this video upload by my channel. You can once again, you can check it out video and write down the sizes. And the size will be very, very important, particular option, say. So total size will be done. Now we can show to customer will be here. These are the particular ads. Visibility is more important. Video option is there. You can add the video also there. Recently use any option we can show to the customers. Video also will be very much available into the channel wise. Search for channel. So where your YouTube channel exactly, we can go to the channel here and we can select in by any video. Video also will be considered by the display. This will be Google properties. Here is the option, and this will be website and apps. This ad will be show to customer website and app also, and so will be Google properties. Which website approved by the Google AdSense, you can show to the customer. But here in this display, only one drawback. What is the conversion? What is the average CPA, cost per action? They can't give the particular budget. So how much it will be go to the results based on the budget option. So we can use a file headline, file description, business name, and call to action option will be available. This option will be already I'm given. So which option I give, you can check it out. Right now, what is the option will be show to the customer. So Gmail. In this, we can show only Gmail and YouTube. YouTube will be, we can show to customer will be like this. And mobile. Mobile will be like this. Any user, we can open the mobile users. Most of the ads. This is nothing but display ads. You can see this customers. YouTube, see this. Depend on options. And this will be Gmail. Next, website and app. Image ad, text ad. This will be video ad. Video ad will be shown to the customers by only for website and app only, not for the YouTube. This video will be shown to customer only for website and app. Finally, each and every will be select final option. We can go for it, this option. In the display, we can increase the YouTube subscribers also. The display ad, we can increase the YouTube subscribers. How we can define the subscribers? So just after adding this one, we have the option will be given by the subscribers. So anything we can utilize them. If you're promoting YouTube channel, we can change the URL, promote the YouTube channel, or we can go to the widget site. What are the exact options we can utilize on the particular ad format? This completely ad will be given on the particular display network. So finally, what we can click for? Create campaign. The final option will be confirmation. Now click. So the final go to where? Confirmation. Ad approval. Campaign object will be website traffic. Daily budget 1500. Location Hyderabad. Language English. Campaign will be smart. Bidding strategies. Maximum conversion. Ad will be run. Already is activated. Finally, click continue to campaign. Before I tell you this one, if you want to create this ad, what are the placements? Website and app, Gmail and YouTube. This display will be showing completely 4 options. Which option? Website, mobile application, YouTube and Gmail. There's the image ad, text ad, native ad, and video ad, and your particular image with a text ad. Like example, YouTube here. Website will be here. Different options. Is it clear? So this is the way we can display ad to continue to campaign. Once review will be done, the show campaign will be particular Google AdWords network. Finally, continue to campaign. Go to the campaign structure. First select the campaign. Next ad group. Finally, ad will be pending under review. Once is done, we can start the your particular ad. This ad will be responsive display ad. This is a very, very important. Based on the ad size, the automatically image size will be decreased. The show ad will be particular customers. Like simple, this will be one type ad, second, third, which will be fourth and fifth. Depend on, see this one. So this all ad will be visit website to increase your website traffic and conversion based on the image display ads. There will be totally three options: video, text with image, and image ads. This all will be shown to customers to increase the website traffic purpose. If any further query, you can ask me to my channel. I definitely support you. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.